I want to do a show and tell. That's it. That's what it's called. I have to show you what's on my table here so I can put everything away. And then we can move on to other videos. I still want to show you the gowns I got from Shein. 20 gowns and furry stoles, and maybe that'll be next. But first thing, Magic Spoon is my favorite protein-rich cereal. I love it. It gives me energy, it keeps my sugar levels stable, and it tastes amazing. That's the main thing, because these protein drinks and cereals, they always have an aftertaste, and Magic Spoon does not have an aftertaste, and their cereals are delicious. My granddaughter bought me these protein treats, which are delicious. Look at this. 2 carbs, 1 sugar, 12 proteins for one delicious bar, and the marshmallow is my favorite. I have another one too. It's protein treats, 12 proteins, 1 sugar, and 2 net carbs, and it's chocolate peanut butter. Look at that. I'll open one. This one I haven't opened yet, but look at this. It smells like a real chocolate Rice Krispie. Look at that. It's really delicious. There's no ugly aftertaste. I'll put a link down below for that. This is my favorite cleansing foam. I first bought this in Marshall's for $5.99, and then I couldn't find it there anymore, and I found it online for $9 something. So this is wonderful, and you could get it on your eyes and nothing burns. And you know, I bought a similar one. It was a snail mucus or something, but that was kind of burning on my eyes. But this is great. I love a show and tell video. Okay, these are interesting. These are XYLIMELTs. If you have dry mouth, if you feel that you just lose all your saliva, in order to prevent bacteria from growing, and in order for your tongue to be able to move, they're not just a lozenger. You see this? It has 2 sides. A grayish side, it looks like felt, and then a white side. Okay, so each one has a double side. And what you do with it, you put it in your mouth and you stick the gray side to a tooth in the back. You just stick it to the tooth. And when I tell you it lasts for hours you won't have dry mouth. Now, stick-on melts for moisturizing, used during the day and while sleeping. Freshens breath, proven to reduce morning dry mouth, easy to use on the go. This pack comes with 40, lasts for hours, sticks and stays on gum to coat, moisturize, and lubricate for long-lasting relief. This one is berry smoothie, sugar-free with xylitol, and the xylitol is like a miracle for your teeth. Place the tan side on your gum, holding for 10 seconds for comfortable relief. The whiter side melts to coat, moisturize, and lubricate. It says put it on your gum, but I think really you put it on your tooth. At the gum line, okay, at the gum line on the outside of the molar, upper or lower. See it right here. Perfect, perfect. We're moving along. If I could find a link for everything, I will. This is great. This I got at Teemo also. Now, Teemo is going through import charges on a lot of things, and so I don't buy the stuff that has import charges, because then it gets expensive. Okay, this is a eye and face and body massage stick. This is the product. So, it looks like that, and you put the battery in here, 1 battery, that's it, and then it goes on and off, and then you can give yourself a great massage. Now, it's got 4 different heads. Oh, this is like spiky. Okay, so if you put a battery in there, and it goes, and then you could massage your face. And an upcoming video, I am going to show you everything I do to keep my jawline tight, and what I'm doing to work on my neck, and just to keep wrinkles at bay, because I work hard on it. I really do, and I want to share it with you. So I love this. You see those spikes? Ooh, that's what I love, because it'd be massaging. It's nothing bad. It's not electro currents or anything. It's just like that, you know. Okay. Do you know standsout.com makes beauty sponges? Very, very soft. A little too soft for me, so I only bought it once. But I did see they had a good deal on these. And these you should just buy for everybody you know. Boys, girls, men, women, everybody. To wash your face and to take the soap off. In one swipe, it's all off. It's not dripping everywhere. And you could start like removing your makeup, and then you could wipe it all off with this. Rinse it out and put your facial cleanser on, and then wipe it off. One swipe, it's wiped. One swipe, it's wiped. Okay. This is citrus. I love a show and tell, don't you? I hope you do. Let me know. Okay. Citrus makeup remover stick. Now, this is great for a weekend away, or if you're sitting on the couch and you want to start removing your makeup. It's citrus gentle makeup remover stick. Okay, so very cute packaging. Now, when it comes with the safety cap, anything that comes with the safety cap like that, you have to lift it in order to get the cap off. So, look at that. Now, you just, oh yeah. Oh, so I had some makeup on my arm before. I should have done that. Let's try. We'll put some lipstick. We'll let it dry, and then we'll come back and I'll show you this. This is another great thing I got. It's called Lip Boost. Look at this little thing. Woo, this is too cute. It's a little, if you look close, you can see little needles. So you fill it up, and then you press here, and the liquid comes out. And this is really for your lips, but I mean, I would do around my lips, not really on my lips, but if you want to do on your lips, that's what this is for. So it says, take off the lid, pull the roller out of the cartridge. Oh, okay, I was trying to get this out. Okay. Fill it up with the serum, take the roller, tightly close it, turn it upside down, and then do your thing. Very cute. So now you go like this. You release the serum, and you do your lips if you want, or you could just do it anywhere. This is 0.25. Oh, I have to check the other ones. They have 0.5 mm and 1.0 mm. So the higher the number is, the longer the needle is. So excellent. Let's see what else. I've bought this for years, and I give them out to my grandkids, their friends. This is the cutest thing. You will be so popular with your nieces and your nephews. They have this in silver and in white. This happens to be a pink one. But if you know kids, or not even kids, teenagers, and look, I'm 76. I love this stuff. This is too much fun for me. All right, so what do you think it is? I'm going to show you right now. You open it here. it's a makeup mirror, but it's a makeup mirror like you've never seen before. Look at this. It's a little computer, like a Mac computer, like a laptop. Look, I mean, this makes every kid excited. Every person. I mean, I don't care how old a woman is. This is adorable, adorable. Cutest gift ever. I mean, I have backups and backups of them because then I like to give them out, and everybody's so happy when they get this. And like I said, they have silver ones, so it looks just like the real computer, and they have white ones that looks like the old Mac computers. Adorable. Oh, goodness, what is in this bag? Let's try this. Let's look at this. This is an ultra freeze fan, okay? Sometimes it gets too hot. Last year we were at some graduations sitting out in the sun, but I had one of these with me. I had charged it up. Now, what makes this different than any other? All right, here you've got the grill and the fan. And here you have a stainless steel disc that freezes. Oh my gosh, it's ice cold right now. And while the fan is on you, you can do this on your neck. It really, really helps. Let's see if I have it charged. Long battery life, fully charged within 3 hours, ultra fast cooling on the go, high speed up to 12,000 RPMs, super cold ice compress. That's compress right there. Oh my God, that is amazing. And the fan comes through here. You see the blades there, but the cold air comes out here, so you could at any time, you could just depuff, freeze. Oh my God, when it's hot out and you're sitting outside or you're on the road, oh my God, this is so great. It's quiet too. Wow. So that is Momax. Momax. Amazing, amazing. My daughter's going through menopause. She feels like she's burning up all the time. And I bought her one and she loves it. Okay. These are a pair of earrings from Teemo. Very nice. Now, how do they open? Oh, look at that. There you go. Actually, I thought I had to open them. Oh, it comes with a little protection there. So then you put it on. Oh, look how nice. And it has the disc. Look at that. That is beautiful. That is really beautiful. Wow. I love those. I love them. Okay, now I'm going to show you the makeup remover. Okay, so here. Oh, why do I put it there? Okay, right there. You see it? Now. You have to massage the product in, just like you would any kind of cream. And I think it works. So you don't just put it on and wipe it off. You put it on and you have to massage it. Just like you would any cleanser. And then it comes off. This is very clever. I like it a lot. Oh, look at this. I mean, if this doesn't show you how great Teemo is, look what I bought in Teemo. It's a strap for any bag. Look at the gold hardware and the red, and then the leather here. I'm sure it's PU leather. It's made in China, of course. But look at that strap. And this is for anything. A wallet, a little mini bag, a purse that needs a strap. Just a few dollars. This was such a find. Such a find. Okay, I think I've loaded you up with show and tell, and I'm going to stop here so I can start looking for links for you, because there's a lot of things I showed you. So thank you so much. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you all. Mwah! Now I can put this stuff away. Where? I don't know, but I can put them away. Oh, it's so nice to throw things away, to get rid of clutter. I think I'll eat one of my protein bars, the one I opened. Woohoo! Cleared off a lot of stuff. Yes.